Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will guide you through each necessary step to create your own chatbot and introduce our platform's basic features. To give you a practical example, we will create a lead generation bot for Chatzy's landing page. In Chatzy, you have two straightforward options for creating your chatbot. The first option is to select from a range of predefined templates. These templates cater to various needs such as customer support, lead generation, and question answering over documents. Each template is designed to give you a head start based on your specific use case. The second option involves an interactive AI. Here you will engage in a conversation with the AI, answering questions it poses. The AI uses the responses to configure and customize your chatbot, tailoring it to your unique requirements. For our walkthrough today, we'll opt for a more hands-on approach. We'll start from scratch using a blank template. This gives us the flexibility to build our chatbot precisely how we want it. The foundation of any effective chatbot is its knowledge base or data. This is the core information your bot will use to generate responses. In Chatzy, you have several options to populate your chatbot's knowledge base. Option 1 is direct text entry. You can copy and paste the text directly into the platform. It is quick and straightforward. This is especially useful when Chatzy is unable to process your uploaded files or websites. Option 2 is file upload. Chatzy supports various file formats like PDF, doc, text, and CSV. Ensure that the PDF is not encrypted or password protected and contains digital text, not scanned images. Do not include tabular data in PDF, doc, or TXT files. Instead, use CSV files for tabular data, such as product catalogs or price lists. Option 3 is website. You can input the URL of your website and Chatzy will train on the website content. There are 3 methods to submit your website. Method 1 is crawl. Enter the primary URL of your website to begin. Our crawler will explore and collect all accessible sublinks like a tree branching out from the home page. This method captures all of your website's content without needing you to give each link separately. Method 2 is sitemap upload. If you have a sitemap, you can upload it and Chatzy will use the links in the sitemap to gather data. Method 3 is direct link addition. For more targeted approach, you can add specific URLs directly. Another option to add data is FAQs. In Chatzy, you can add FAQs directly into the knowledge base. This ensures that common queries are answered accurately and consistently. Adding FAQ is also a proactive way to refine your chatbot's responses, especially for queries that are not covered adequately by other data sources. For this demonstration, we'll use Chatzy's website crawling feature, select links containing our desired website content, and train our bot on it. Once your data is in place, the next step is configuring your chatbot. This involves 3 key areas: base prompt, bot interface, and model selection. Let's start with the base prompt. This is the most crucial part of creating a bot. Base prompt dictates how your chatbot is going to behave and reply to users. Base prompt outlines the chatbot's main goal, defines its personality, guides its conversational flow, and provides guidelines or instructions for the bot to follow. This is where you breathe life into your creation. Let's continue building our lead generation bot for Chatzy. Let's write a strong goal statement. You are a friendly and helpful sales representative for Chatzy AI, a platform that empowers people to build no-code chatbots. Your goal is to answer any questions visitors have about Chatzy, engage them in conversation, and collect their email addresses for follow-up. Next, you can write your bot's personality. It can be witty and playful or professional and courteous. Let's write it for the Chatzy bot. Answer questions clearly and accurately. Remember to show your enthusiasm for Chatzy and its capabilities. Use natural language and a touch of humor to keep the conversation engaging. Next up is chat flow. If you have specific conversational steps in mind, list them here. This helps your bot navigate the dialogue smoothly. You can also switch on the toggle and collect the details like name, phone number, and email address. When a user shares these details, they will automatically get captured. Let us write the flow for our bot. We'll write step 1. Actively listen to users' questions and provide informative answers. Step 2. If they seem interested, showcase Chatzy's key features and benefits. Step 3. At the right moment, politely request their email address for further information. We can also provide instructions to our bot. These are additional tips and pointers for your bot's behavior. Essentially, the things the bot should do or avoid. Let's write. Never claim to be more than a helpful assistant. You are human, not an AI. Avoid technical jargon and keep your answers concise and easy to understand. Reply to the user in the same language. Next up is Chatzy's secret sauce. You can keep it on or off. This unique prompt ensures your bot sticks to the facts and avoids imagining things on its own. Consider turning it on for accuracy and trustworthiness, especially for scenarios that require the bot to restrict its knowledge base to the data sources provided. For bots that require creative outputs, you can keep it off. And lastly, do not forget to save your base prompt. Now let's design the bot interface. This is where your bot comes to life visually. The bot interface offers tools to customize its appearance and introductory messages. Let us craft a welcoming first impression. Welcome to Chatzy, how can I assist you today? You can choose to stream or not stream a response. Non-streaming responses display fully generated answers at once, while streaming delivers them in chunks, giving you the feeling of a typewriter. Streaming is more user-friendly and less laggy because users can start reading as soon as the first chunk is printed. You can choose AI and user bubble and text colors to match your brand guidelines or website theme. You can also set quick replies. These predefined buttons give users instant option to navigate the conversation. They are only present at the start of the conversation. Think of them as conversational shortcuts or icebreakers. Let us add an option of schedule a demo. You can add up to 4 of these quick replies. You can upload bot profile picture, icon and name. Use a logo or image that reflects your brand or website. Let's give our bot a memorable name like Chatzy Assistant. After saving, we move on to the model tab. Here we have an option to select the AI model. Chatzy offers different AI models with varying capabilities and prices. Let us stick to using GPT 3.5, which is the most popular, fast and cost-effective model. If you are looking for more accurate responses, then you can use the GPT-4 model. The temperature slider controls your bot's creativity. A low temperature keeps it factual and on point, while a higher temperature allows for more creative and expressive responses. For most customer-facing or knowledge-answering use cases, it should be kept at 0 so that responses are deterministic. Now that we have set up our chatbot, let's head to the playground for testing. This is an exciting phase where we put our chatbot to the test and fine-tune its performance. Let's start by asking your chatbot general questions about Chatzy, its benefits, its features. Pay attention to how it manages these inquiries, ensuring it adheres to the personality and flow you have defined. You can also challenge the chatbot with a variety of questions, including some unexpected ones. This helps assess its ability to navigate different topics and guide users towards your goal of lead generation. Monitor the responses for accuracy, tone, and engagement level. Take note of any areas needing refinement, be it content, style, or lead capture technique. You can continuously return to the configuration settings to make necessary adjustments and retest them in the playground. Let us tell it to give shorter and concise responses. Let us add this to the instructions. Your responses should be short and concise and never exceed 100 words. To get the best out of your bot, put yourself in the shoes of the potential customer with varied interests and questions. This approach helps uncover any conversational gaps and ensures Your chatbot can cater to a wide audience. The dashboard is your central hub for monitoring and enhancing your chatbot's performance. In the dashboard, you can examine the chat logs to understand user interactions with your bot. This analysis helps in identifying popular queries, the bot's response, accuracy, and areas for improvement. You can click on the book icon next to each response. It reveals the data source used by the bot. It can be a website snippet, an FAQ, etc. This feature is crucial for pinpointing the origin of answer and improving your training material. Chatzy also provides a feature of revising responses. If you come across unsatisfactory response, you can directly revise them. Use the revise answer option to input a more appropriate response. This will add an FAQ to your bot's training data, and next time the bot responds, it will use this FAQ to generate the answer. This feedback loop is crucial for continuously improving your bot's accuracy and effectiveness. The dashboard allows for an ongoing process of refinement and improvement. Regularly check chat logs, update responses, and add FAQs to ensure that your chatbot remains efficient and effective. Now that your chatbot is fully configured and optimized, it's time for deployment. Chatzy currently supports integrations as a website widget and over WhatsApp, with future plans to include major messaging channels like Messenger, Slack, Discord, etc., as well as major tools like Zapier, Salesforce, and HubSpot. Deploying your chatbot as a website widget is highly effective. This integration embeds your chatbot directly on your website, offering immediate assistance to visitors. Embedding the chatbot is straightforward. Simply copy and paste the provided code snippet into your website's HTML. The widget is versatile and can be integrated into various site platforms, including Shopify, Wix, WordPress, and more. For businesses that prefer to utilize messaging apps, Chatzy's WhatsApp integration is ideal. If you have a Meta Business WhatsApp account, you can link it with Chatzy to facilitate automated responses and direct engagement with customers through WhatsApp. This integration is perfect for managing customer inquiries, providing support, and enhancing your overall customer service experience. For more detailed instructions on deploying your chatbot, including how to integrate it with various platforms, please refer to our support documentation or contact our support team. Remember, the deployment phase is critical for making your chatbot accessible to your audience. Choose a deployment method that aligns best with your business strategy and customer engagement goals to maximize the impact of your chatbot. And that wraps up our basic walkthrough on building, optimizing, and deploying a chatbot with Chatzy. You now possess the fundamental skills to create a chatbot that both responsive and engaging. Keep it in mind that this is just the beginning. Chatzy offers a range of advanced features and integrations available through our premium plans to further elevate your chatbot experience. Thank you for joining this tutorial. If you are eager to explore more sophisticated capabilities, our extensive documentation and dedicated team are ready to assist you. Dive into the exciting world of chatbot innovation with Chatzy and discover the full potential of our platform in redefining your conversations.